Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new what is this, a sports car collection, right? So here it goes, and these are the two. So this one right here is the Porsche. So these are two Porsche right over here. So this one is the Porsche 911 Carrera S, and also this is the Porsche 918 Spider. So right, so without further ado, let's go to start unboxing it. Okay, so here it goes. So these are the two Porsche, so diecast and RMZ City collaboration. So here we go, we got this Porsche 911 Porsche 918 Spider, and there's also the Porsche 911 Carrera S. So okay, I'm gonna start opening it up. So let's go, gonna open this, and then let's go, gonna open this up. So don't know how to open. Okay, this because this box is so, you know, right? And then, and there it goes. There you have it. There you have it. So, and then I'm gonna have to get my electric screwdriver so that we can take this off. It's because there's a I forgot what is that. There's a screw at the bottom, right? So there's a screw at the bottom. Okay. Okay, so it's now I'm gonna take that off, and then also this one right here is I'm gonna have to put it on somewhere. So okay, I'm gonna have to put this on the screw. Okay, and then there it goes. Okay, there it goes. This is the Porsche Carrera 918 Spider, right? Okay, this is a Porsche Carrera Porsche 918 Spider over here. So I love the design. Okay, I love the design about this. So maganda pa pala siya. So ito pala siya. So, and then also gonna open this up right here, and then okay, and then okay, something wrong with it. So okay, I think design talaga yon. Design lang. Okay, design talaga siya na ganun yung buong mukas. Kesa sa dito na mas malaki siya buong mukas, right? So yes, design talaga siya na ganun yung style niya pagbukas. So katulad din siya ng dati na may ano dito, magpaganon siya, right? So okay din naman siya yung style niya. Maganda siya, di ba? Okay, maganda talaga yung mga Porsche. Maganda din pala yung mga Porsche ng cars, mga sports car. So meron pa dito nakalagay na ano, meron pa siya talagang pangalan niya, Porsche 918 Spider. So I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it Porsche or Porsche, right? So I think others says that it is a Porsche, right? So it's a Porsche. So here it goes, right? So maganda yung ano niya, style dito, maganda. So yun din yung nagustuhan ko dito sa mga Porsche, dahil napakaganda po ng hood nila dito, right? Napakaganda po ng hood nila. Tsaka okay din pala, okay, yung ano side niya ay okay din, cool, di ba? Astig siya. So maganda siya, maganda. Okay, so okay, the next is buksan na natin ito. So buksan natin itong Porsche 911 Carrera S. So tingnan natin, di ba? At saka i-compare natin siya dito sa 918 Spider, right? Compare natin siya sa 918 Spider. Okay. remove it. So gonna have to put it right there. Oh, okay, may kabahan din pala talaga sila. So ito yung 918 Spider. Oh, ganun ba? Okay, ito yung 911 Carrera S pala. So nakalimutan ko, 911 Carrera S, right? So ito yung 911 Carrera S. So still meron siyang paano dito, pero okay din naman siya. So ilalim niya okay din. So compare dito, right? So same lang sila, di ba? So yung kaibahan nito, meron siya dito, wala siya dito. Ito meron siya dito. Itong 911 Carrera S, ito 911 Spider, wala siya dito. So yun siya, wala siyang muffler dito. Pero I think itong 918 Spider, I think is electric, right? If I'm wrong, electric kasi wala siyang muffler eh. So ito sa 918, ito sa Carrera S, meron siyang muffler, right? So at saka still gano'n pa rin yun, nandito pa rin yung logo ng Porsche, right? So Porsche 911 Carrera S, right? And then also the front, okay, you know already the front, right? So magkaiba po sila, different front, right? Sa different front also. Okay, mas parang ano eh, parang itong Carrera S parang babae siya eh. So parang babae. Ito namang 918 Spider para siyang ano, lalaki, right? So talagang pair talaga sila na ano, parang couple sila na Porsche, right? So kung buksan na po natin ito, okay siya, okay. Okay siya, okay. Okay yung pintuan niya, right? So okay yung pintuan. So okay, may ano pala sa loob siya, para siyang parang ano. Okay. Okay, maganda sa loob, right? So okay din pala ito eh. So ayun. Okay, so maganda siya, hindi siya okay. Right? So yung ano wheels niya, okay din. So okay siya. So pull and play pa rin siya. Okay, so narinig yun, di ba? Oh, right. So, yun po siya. So, yun po yung ano niya, purpose niya. So, pero sa akin, collection ito. So, collection. So, parami na ng parami, right? So, meron pa sila may iba pang mga iba pang mga ganito na mga sports pero hindi katulad ng mga ganito. So, meron silang mga BMW, meron silang iba pang mga nakikita ko sa Mr. DIY, right? So, you know, one of the greatest collection that I have had, that I've had is this one also, the Sportscars. So, at maganda siya, and okay din pala siya. So, kung gusto niyo mag-collection ng mga sports cars, so meron ako mga Hot Wheels dito eh. So, okay siya, meron siya. So, ito, para silang couple, right? So, parang babae at saka lalaki. Okay, ito babae, ito lalaki. So may naalala ko eh, naalala lang ako. So yung sa cars, right? Yung sa cars, right? So hindi ko alam, pero Ferrari naman yung si Lightning McQueen eh, Ferrari yun eh. So ito parang ano yung babae na ano niya doon, di ba, sa Cars 1. So yun po yung si Sally. Naalala ko parang si Sally yun eh. So parang ganun kasi yung mukha niya eh. So you know, parang talaga siyang babae, right? So ito para siya lalaki dito. So meron logo ng Porsche dito sa harap din, right? May logo ng Porsche dito sa harap. Then dito din siya. So right, so ayun siya. Okay, may logo ng Porsche. Maganda talaga sa inyo. Okay din po para siya ganito. So, okay, there's a lot more. So I think 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I have 10 sports car na dito. Okay, 10 na po pala ito. So now I'm gonna show to you at the end of the video, the picture, right? All of the 10 sports cars that I have. Okay, so let's go. Okay, there it goes. The comparison. Okay, let's go with it right here. The comparison, right? So iba talaga, di ba? So you know, and then Also right here, the comparison, this one right here, talaga iba talaga. So, at saka yung sa likod, ito yun. Magkaiba talaga sila, right? So, at saka yung ano nila, dito. Right? So, it's the same. And then also, yung ano nila, side by side nila. Right? So, magkaiba talaga. So, makaganda. So, mga Porsche. So, napakaswerte ko kasi nakita ko itong dalawang Porsche. Right? Nakita ko ito. Maswerte ako dahil nakita ko itong dalawang Porsche na ito. So, biggest collection ever. So, okay. So, I think that's it for this vlog. And I hope you enjoy watching. And, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And click that notification bell para always po kayo notify po sa mga bagong uploads ko weekly about random vlogs here in my channel. Either toys, collectible toys, Pokemon cards, and then other toys that I have here, and also other collections that I have. So every Sunday po yan is schedule. So bagong upload po yan every Sunday po. Okay, so and then also on every Tuesday weekly. Okay, we get some techs and gadgets, and also weekly every Thursday is all about games, and also Saturday is all about EDC, right? Okay, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy. So see you again in my next video, everyone.